Hello everyone, my name is Summer and welcome to another episode of Survivalcraft. It's dark outside, so let's get inside and go to bed. In today's episode, we're going to be getting cats. Oh, I'm out of breath. Okay, let's go on an adventure. I've got the fish. Just need to find the victim to be tamed. Ooh, I could add some of these melons to my farm. Plus their food. Okay. Let's keep looking for Mau. There's a lava pit here. Um, hmm. I don't see one. Like, at all. Which sucks, because I want a kitty. Where's my kitty? I want a kitty. So I've been fishing to get some fish. I wanted a kitty. But I don't know if I can get a kitty, because there seems to be no cats around. Oh, parrots. I did bring some seeds in case I found some. So I will tame that guy. They teleport, right? Yeah. Can you get on my shoulder? There we go. Okay. Mouse. Kitties. 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 What's that? Swear I saw something. Chickens and sheep over there. See if there's a cat over here. Nope, I don't see a cat over here. It might just be me being blind, but I haven't seen a cat at all. Like, I get seeing a cat, but not being able to tame it, but I at least want to see a cat. I would love to tame it, but green parrot. I have a blue one, so let's get a green one. Kitty. Where'd it go? Okay, wait. We got a cat. Yes. Okay. Sit up. Let's go. I definitely want at least 2 cats so I can breed them. I would like a black cat. A black cat would be nice. Wait, come back. Oh, thank gosh, salmon works. Wait, come back. Okay. Okay. An orange cat. Okay, that'll work. We can have an orange cat. We can always go out on another adventure. Eventually. Adventurally. I'm so funny now. Eventually we'll go on another adventure to see if we can find a black cat. But oh yes, we got at least 2 cats and 2 parrots, which is amazing. So I overshot my house. My house is over there. Here's my house. Okay. Everybody in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. Now everybody upstairs. Got 1 parrot. 2 parrots. Sit, 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 sit. Okay. No orange kitty sit. Okay, where's my green parrot? Where's my green parrot? He's up here. There he is. Okay. Come over here, buddy. Okay, now sit. Sit. There we go. You come downstairs. Okay, where's your little friend? There you guys are. Boom, boom. Close the doors. We got a baby Siamese. Nice. Nice. Sweet. I wanna change my life, 'cause this just don't feel right to me. Okay. Now we're gonna go look for at least 2 dogs. I believe there's a spruce biome somewhere around here. Lately, I've been thinking, I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. When the morning comes, when you see what we've become. Okay. Looking for a spruce biome. On the hunt for a spruce biome. I need leather. I'm sorry, cow. I don't know where the spruce biome is. But it is getting night. Oh, it's up there. Okay. So we'll travel there in the morning after we sleep. I mean, thanks for the egg, but I've already got like a bazillion chickens who give me like a stack of eggs. So, like I don't actually need that many eggs. So I made a little dock too. Right here. Let's go collect all the eggs. Light it up a bit out here. It's not lit up at all. There we go. How many eggs did we just get? See? See? A lot of eggs. Okay. Now let's go upstairs and sleep. Hello, my parrots. I kind of wanted a red one and a blue one, and I've already got the blue one, so we're doing pretty good. But I do like the green and the white one with the yellow tuft on his head. Okay. To adventure. Adventure awaits. Let's eat some food. Food is yummy. And let's see if we can get a dog. Whoa, what are you doing on land, buddy? Pretty weird. Okay, so let's go investigate this spruce biome. Okay. Hello. Woo! Okay. See if we can get up this mountain. Nice. Okay. Any dogs? No, maybe, yes, please. Please, 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 please. A lot of caves everywhere. I don't see any dogs, which is super disappointing. There's a dark oak forest over there. Oh, we can totally make that. Okay. Just going on a little adventure today. You can find wolves in oak forests. I know that. Wait, I didn't build these houses. Village! I was like, wait, this is not my house, but I didn't build these houses. So, sick, we found a village. Oh, sick. What up, man? What up? Oh, beetroots. Beetroots. Don't really want beetroots. But I will take your books. Maxing out my library card. Okay, 42. Perfect. Keep on the hunt. Beetroots. Okay, I guess we can take some beetroots. I mean, beetroots aren't very good, but we'll take them. Red mushroom. Love mushrooms so much. Give me your red mushrooms, Mr. Mushroom. Give me all your shrooms, Mr. Red Mushroom. Ow. Boy. Crapper just blew up my mushrooms. Stupid crapper. I hate creepers so much. I didn't even see him or hear him, mostly because I don't have my sound on, but still. Not cool, man. Not cool. Kind of looks natural. Okay, whatever. We need to see if we can find a spruce biome. That's what I want. I want a spruce biome, not a dark oak forest. However, I will take these azure bluets, because these are adorable. They're so cute. They're just little bushes, and I love them. A mesa! Wow! We could totally build something in the mesa. That's pretty sick. Love it. But we kind of don't really need a mesa right now. Kind of need a spruce biome. It's my bread. Back off. Okay. Woo! Okay. Wow, this place is pretty. I like mesas. Mesas are cute, but taigas are my home. Taigas are where I've grown up my whole life, so I'm gonna love taigas for who they are. Sounded really cheesy. Okay. Lot of holes, mesa. Lot of holes. Well, guess we'll end this episode here. Out of episode, I'm gonna see if I can find a dang spruce biome. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye!